Look at all the scripting that I have done. These are just one book. There are so many books that I have. Look at this. All this is exactly law of attraction oriented and a lot more. Look at this. Seeing all these, what do you feel? This is one of the most incredible techniques of law of attraction and you cannot afford to miss this out. Hello my dear gorgeous souls, namaste and super duper welcome to this world of spirituality. I am Mounika. I make videos on mental wellness, inner healing, law of attraction and also everything that includes positivity and conscious living, and I'm a life and a law of attraction coach and also a spiritual healer. Today I'm super duper excited because I'm speaking about this my most favorite topic, which is law of attraction. And there is one particular technique that is my most favorite. I'm not even saying that's one of my most favorites. I'm saying that's my most favorite technique is scripting. You can call it writing, you can call it scribing, and many people have many different names for it. But scripting is most popularly known term in this particular field. And you guys have to blindly trust me on this because I am into this and particularly using this technique for almost 4 years now and into entire law of attraction for almost 6 years now. So you must be knowing by now, or you must be trusting me based on my experience and also my miraculous results. So just a backstory, my law of attraction journey started around like 6 years ago when I first got my hands on this book called, you must be already guessing, most of you already must have guessed, yes, that's the book called Secret. The Secret book has laid the foundation. It has given me the whole understanding of what exactly law of attraction is, what is this energy work, and is it for real? Because prior to that, I've never heard of this term called law of attraction, or none of my family members are ever into this, not just law of attraction but this entire spirituality or energy related or laws of universe, nothing. All these are like absolutely alien concepts to me. However, this Secret book introduces you to the law of attraction, but it does not have all the core deep concepts in it. Although it acts as a very beautiful foundation, but you cannot rely 100% on this book just to manifest your desires. So without any further ado, let's straight away jump into the scripting technique. Scripting is essentially writing your own desires. There are just only 2 types of scripting that I'm going to discuss in this video, and these 2 techniques are good enough for the rest of your life because they have always shown me great results. And of course, you can't manifest your desires just by watching this video, so you'll have to practice them in your life, and once you practice, I'm sure that you will come back and thank me later. Now the first type is that kind of a person. I will first tell you how to write this technique, and then I'll show you how I usually write it to manifest my desires and also to make my days much better and meaningful. So this particular type of a scripting is nothing but, I'll just explain it to you very clearly. Now for example, whenever you have to explain about yourself, or if you want to introduce yourself to someone, you would say, I am that kind of a person who would prefer not socializing much, right? I am someone who doesn't have a sweet tooth. I'm someone who loves pets. Or I'm someone who likes the calm timing every single day. So you say these certain things about yourself because you know for the fact that these are something that you are, maybe based on your memories, based on your own experiences and also understanding of yourself. Now we will club this confidence and our desires so beautifully, they themselves will manifest into our lives. So let me show you how I usually write this. Remember that the statement that you use to make your mind believe is extremely important. So you'll have to make sure that the statements that you are writing should be acceptable by your mind. Although that doesn't mean that those statements should be exactly of your reality, not needed. They can be like, for example, today I don't have obviously like 1 crore in my bank account, but if I write that statement that I already have 1 crore rupees in my bank account in the right manner, that my mind gets convinced, although that's not my reality, that still works, because end of the day, mind does not know the difference between the real situation and also the imagined situation, and that's our plus point. right in the morning. As soon as you wake up, you'll always have to do this first thing in the morning, because that builds in lots of confidence inside you, and that's exactly what you need. People prefer the caffeine, their shot of caffeine every morning. So do this itself does not have any sort of a caffeine, but it gives you all that energy and that positive vibe, and also it sets the intention very straight right at the beginning of the day. And now jumping into the second type, and I'm sure most of you people would try this for sure, because this is super fun, and also it is something related to food, our favorite food. I love food. I don't know how many of you love food, but I'm a big time foodie. So now this technique has food plus scripting, which is something like, maybe in a bowl, take your favorite dessert or something that you love to eat. For me, brownie is something that I love to eat, and also rasmalais and also cheesecake is something that I really love. It is not necessary that you should only take some sort of a dessert or something. Take any food of your choice, put it in a bowl with a spoon, and then take your book and go to some quiet beautiful place or favorite spot in your home, and then sit with this bowl and also your book and pen. So now take like 2 to 3 bites of your favorite food that is in your bowl. Eat it, but eat it with joy. That's the reason why I'm asking you to take your favorite food. If you don't take your favorite food, then you might not feel this absolute joy. Now after that, start writing your life story in such a way that you are showing absolute gratitude for the fantastic life that you are having. See, you have your favorite food item in your bowl. How wonderful would that be if everything in your life is absolutely your favorite? Like for example, you have your favorite car, you have your favorite house, you have your favorite people around, you are doing your favorite job, you're having your fantastic abundant money in your bank account, you're having fabulous relationships where everybody turned out to be your favorites. When everything in your life is favorite, just imagine that feeling. Now you just have this one bowl of your favorite food and you're super joyful. Then just imagine how wonderful it would be when everything in your life is super favorite. So now what you'll have to do is you'll have to keep eating this food, simultaneously writing your life story in such a way that you are thanking the universe for manifesting all your favorite things into your life. You'll have to write your entire life story, but I'm not asking you to write your entire real life story. You'll have to imagine yourself. Think again, how would that be if you have all the things in your life that are your favorites? Now write that one. So write all your desires as if they are already manifested. Let me show you how I do that exactly. Let me now show you the second type in scripting. So here I am with my favorite sweet. I have motichur laddu today. I would have preferred brownie. So since I only have this one today, I will be doing with this because I love motichur as much. So this is my book and a pen. Just watch me doing this. Yummy. This is so good and I feel good already. Let me do the scripting now. So now you have seen how I write my entire story. So the intention here is everything and anything is possible. Just how you have your favorite food right in front of you, it is absolutely possible for you to experience all favorite things in your life. I truly don't care about the gap between my current reality and my desires. With this process, I am training my mind to make it believe that anything and everything is possible for me, and also making sure that I'm generating the vibration so that I can match up to my desired vibration, so that I can experience that in my reality. Now this food is helping me to increase that vibration, and this food is giving me that confidence and also giving me that pleasure and joy. Try this just by trusting me. This works really well. Try this out and drop a comment in the comment section if you really like the technique and what's the first type of this scripting technique that you're gonna try immediately. I'd be super happy to see your comments, and once you see the result, please get back to this video and drop in the comments, so that would make my day, and it will also help so many people to pursue this path. There are so many books, and now you guys have to trust me on this because you have seen the proofs. So like I said, this is my most favorite technique, and also it never failed me. So with this, we have come to an end, and I hope you have really liked this video, and if yes, please give that big fat thumbs up and also share this and also subscribe to my channel. And your views, likes and shares would definitely make me super happy and help me build more such content and more incredible content in the future. And it will also motivate not just me but also others who are trying only to spread positivity and love in this world. Please subscribe, and lots of my blessings your way, and may you all lead fantastic lives and lives of your choice, your dream life. See you all in the next video. Thank you for your time. Namaste.